Hey everyone, welcome back to Minute English with Ha, where you learn real English in just 5 minutes a day. Where you learn real English in just 5 minutes a day. Today is day 9 of our 30-day English challenge, and we're talking about one of the most common small talk topics, the weather and seasons. Let's get started. How's the weather today?
It's actually really sunny and warm. Perfect day to go outside.
Lucky you. It's raining here. I can hear the rain while we're talking.
Oh no, do you like rainy days?
A little. I like the sound of rain. But not when I have to go out.
Same. Rainy days are great when you can just stay home with a cup of tea.
Exactly. What season do you like the most?
I think I love autumn. The weather is cool and the air feels fresh.
Nice. Autumn is beautiful. I love the colors of the leaves.
Yes, it's also not too hot and not too cold. Perfect for walking outside.
True. I think I prefer spring. Though.
Oh, why spring?
Because everything looks new and green again. And the flowers start to bloom.
That's lovely, but spring also brings allergies for me.
Haha, that's true for many people. Do you like summer?
It depends. I like the long days and holidays. But sometimes it's too hot.
Yes, especially here. The heat can be crazy.
I know. I always carry a bottle of water and sunscreen.
Smart idea. What about winter?
I like winter fashion, coats, scarves, warm sweaters, but I hate being cold.
Same here. Hot drinks and cozy blankets are the best part of winter.
Totally agree. I also love Christmas lights and music during winter.
Oh yes, Christmas makes winter magical.
So overall, every season has something nice about it.
Exactly. You just have to enjoy each one. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's do some shadowing. Repeat after me. It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today. I love the sound of rain. I love the sound of rain. Spring is my favorite season. Spring is my favorite season. I like cool weather in autumn. I like cool weather in autumn. I always wear a jacket in winter. I always wear a jacket in winter. I drink lots of water when it's hot. I drink lots of water when it's hot. Great job. Now let's learn some useful weather vocabulary. Sunny, bright with sunshine. Rainy, with a lot of rain. Cloudy, when the sky is full of clouds. Windy, when there's a lot of wind. Snowy, when it's snowing. Hot, with high temperature. Cold, with low temperature. Warm, comfortably hot. Cool, comfortably cold. Season, a part of the year, like spring, summer, autumn, or winter. Now you can describe any kind of weather or season in English. Thanks for watching Minute English with Ha. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite season below. I'll reply to some tomorrow. See you in day 10, where we'll learn how to talk about travel and vacations in English. Hand waving.